Hi friends, there are 5 updates this week. Number 1, Adani Enterprises. Ever since the report by Hindenburg around Adani Group, the prices have been falling. The stock prices are approximately 50% lower. Adani Enterprises is trading around approximately 2000 rupees a share. But as per Professor Ashwath Damodaran, who is a professor on corporate finance and valuation, he feels the real price should be around 945. So this story is quite developing. Second one, the Monetary Policy Committee this week hiked the repo rate once again by 25 basis points and presently it's 6.5. The repo rate was 4 when the rate hike cycle started. So it's gone up by 250 basis points. What does it mean for the borrowers? All the loans which are linked to the repo rate will obviously go up by another 25 basis points. Presently, approximately 44% of the entire banking loan are linked to the repo rate. The devastating earthquake in Turkey has had its implication on their stock market as well. There are quite a few companies which are listed on the Turkish stock exchange, and this week, unfortunately, the stock prices have been tumbling. The entire week, the stock prices have come off. The index has come off by approximately 16%. On Wednesday, the stock market was shut because it was almost like a free fall. The fourth thing that we wanted to talk to you about is about the operating profit of Paytm. Paytm for the very first time has generated an operating profit in the December 2022 quarter of approximately $3.8 million. This is for the very first time. Ever since the stock has been listed on November 2021, the stock prices has been down by almost 75% from its IPO share price. What led to this kind of operating profit improvement? Number 1, there has been increase in the high cost revenue lending. Secondly, the promotional activities have come down and there have been more number of merchants who have been subscribing to the Paytm offers. All of these 3 things have led to the improvement in the operating profit and eventually to a profit for the very first time. And finally, we want to talk about the energy prices. There have been a rising energy price and rising gas price almost the entire 2022. This the rising prices have led to improved profitability across most of the energy companies, including Shell, BP, Total, Exxon, Mobil, all of these. The profits have been upwards of 50% in most of the cases, almost double in few places. Elinor has generated a profit of $75 billion in 2022. On this great note of rising profitability amongst energy prices, sign off this week. We will see you next week with more updates. All the very best and have a great weekend.